Marketers often wonder how to use videos to improve SEO, but many of them do it incorrectly. It's not a matter of simply finding any video on the internet and including the link on your website. The video needs to be relevant, valuable, and contain the same main keyword as your page. Even better if the video was created by you, because you can then customize the information to maximize the relevancy for all your content. Simply linking to a video is also not enough, as you should also embed it directly on your page. As a result of taking these extra simple steps, you may possibly see multiple rankings in the search engines for the same exact keywords. Definitely worth the extra effort. The good news is that Groove makes this easy. Not only can you use Groove pages to create your websites and Groove blog to build out your blogs, but you can also use Groove Video to upload, share, and embed your videos directly onto any web page that you want. It's all free when you sign up at Groove, so start doing your video SEO right away, and we will see you on the inside.
Have you